In a quiet laboratory deep within the Earth, a group of scientists were on the brink of an extraordinary breakthrough. Leading the team was Dr. Alara Shah, an expert in gravitational physics with a relentless curiosity bound only by the natural laws she sought to understand. Her counterpart, Dr. Rohan Adams, was an experimental physicist who thrived on pushing the limits of what was possible. Together, they had embarked on an experiment that would change everything they knew about gravity. Suddenly, during a routine test, an anomaly occurred. For just 5 seconds, gravity flickered and then vanished instantaneously. Inside the lab, chaos reigned. Papers floated into the air, computers unanchored themselves from desks, and the startled researchers found themselves abruptly untethered from the ground. In those brief moments, the world experienced a sensation unknown to humankind: absolute weightlessness. As quickly as it disappeared, gravity returned, and everything came crashing down, leaving the lab in disarray and the team in shock. Outside the lab, the impact was instantaneous and staggering. Birds, momentarily suspended mid-flight, tumbled to Earth as gravity reasserted itself. Cities witnessed pandemonium as vehicles skidded chaotically. Passengers, ejected from their positions, were left bewildered and bruised. In an instant, the whole planet was reminded of the invisible force that held life as they knew it together. Oceans momentarily bulged, releasing a furious tide when gravity returned. Back in the lab, Dr. Shah and Dr. Adams were not prepared for the scale of their inadvertent experiment. They quickly realized the dire implications of their findings. The event didn't just disrupt their lab. It was a wake-up call about the delicate balance of forces that quietly orchestrated every moment on Earth. Contained within those lost seconds was a potency that could unravel civilization, a revelation that prompted ethical questions about human curiosity and the hubris of scientists trying to control the fundamental laws of nature. The world demanded answers. How could such a thing happen? Dr. Shah and Dr. Adams found themselves thrust into the limelight, both venerated for their audacious work and scrutinized for its unintended consequences. Their experiment had proven the fragility of existence linked by gravity, an often overlooked force whose constancy was taken for granted. The incident served as a humbling reminder that the universe held mysteries far beyond the capacity of human understanding and control. As they stood before an assembly of their peers, the media, and a global audience watching with bated breath, Dr. Shah voiced what many had begun to contemplate. In our quest for knowledge, let us not forget the respect owed to the universe's intricate dance. Her words resonated profoundly, marking a turning point in scientific exploration and the pursuit of knowledge. It was a moment that emphasized wisdom over recklessness, inviting both awe and caution in the quest to uncover the secrets of the cosmos.